Install PicsArt from Play Store. Click to open PicsArt. Click X to close trial offer. Click plus to add own image. Click all photos, choose image. Scroll to the right, choose border. Control thickness by sliding the line. Click color circle to change the color of the border. For example, click red. Colors can also be changed at the thickness page. After that, click next arrow. Click save. Then click save. Image is saved on the phone. Go to photos on your phone and click all. Image with outline or border is successfully created.